Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
We have a surprise here, then we'll move on.
Oh,
Where is Negi, ma'am? Give a answer.
she's struggling with parents and stream selection. They're troubling her so much.
We'll give her when Negi comes. Wait for 2 minutes.
Yes. Called Wendy.
Come. Which class?
No, she went down. Poor thing. Poor thing, she went to receive me there.
Oh.
She's coming. She has to come.
So maybe you can just tell what.
Okay, we'll start.
No, you can just tell sir what we are doing.
Mary ma'am.
What we are doing here. You can brief, sir.
This is science and maths exhibition. So mathematics first time they are doing, sir. We try to be, the theme is on sustainability.
Okay.
So looking at greener future, greener earth. So that
How
small
many
efforts.
participants we have?
We have around 300 plus.
300 plus students. Middle school.
6 to 8.
6 to 8.
9, 1 or 2 projects are there. They are having exams. So they have 9 to 12 it is not there. 6 to
Hello,
8.
Mary ma'am.
I want my parents. Come. We'll start.
We can
Voice.
start.
Yeah.
Yeah, you all have to move little bit
Come.
and allow the boys.
रफीक आपको पीछे हटना पड़ेगा.
Ma'am.
Come. Oh my God! No wonder the separation.
Did you assemble that? Did you assemble that?
Oh, it's saying something.
Welcome to science and
I like that analogy.
matches with
All of us are those type of things.
and his mom.
Yeah. For survival. Don't be concerned. Thank you.
Welcome.
Be careful, be careful. All the best to
All the best to everybody. Come on.
others will come.
Kato?
Yes, sir. Our science and maths coordinators.
Miss Wendy, Miss Giti, and Miss Lee. Oh my God.
Your art exhibition.
Yeah, no, this is best, all waste material.
It's not from our, that's different, sir.
That's a different
It's
one.
completely different.
We will stand this side.
Not only it will green our actions today, sow the seeds of a thriving, sustainable earth for tomorrow. From that to this. It is the peaceful phase that is sustaining phase.
And mathematics.
Wonderful.
Should we take a picture here?
Yeah.
Coordinators also should
Come. Please.
Coordinators.
Coordinators, please come. Ma'am, Shifa ma'am. Rachel ma'am, come. Manisha ma'am.
Yeah, it's
No problem. Jaise bhi aa raha hai. Take one part and then the other part.
elected from students. And they so-called. Sorry,
Ma'am.
Sir. Yeah. We'll click other places also.
Yes.
First time mathematics is also.
Yes, important.
There I'm sitting with the screen of the mathematics.
Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of fire. Education's purpose is to replace an empty mind with an open one. Esteemed dignitaries, revered faculty members, honored parents, beloved students, and cherished attendees, a very good morning to each and every one. With great pleasure and immense pride, we gather here at DPS-Modern Indian School to inaugurate the much-awaited Mathematics and Science Exhibition Quest 2023-24. Explore, Create, Learn. Quest 2023-24 Science and Mathematics Exhibition embodies DPS-Modern Indian School's dedication to igniting curiosity and nurturing a scientific mindset in students through relentless diligence and unwavering commitment. Before we proceed further, let us take a moment to seek the divine blessings with a prayer. Now I would like to invite Laki of 6B for the prayer. Lord, as we gather here today in the spirit of learning and celebration, we humbly seek your blessings and guidance. Grant us the wisdom to embrace knowledge with open hearts and minds, and compassion to help one another in our endeavors. Grant us the courage to explore new horizons, the curiosity to seek answers to the mysteries of mathematics and science. May the ceremony be a reflection of our shared commitment to learning, growth, and progress. Thank you, God. With hearts unified by pride and inquisitiveness, let us embark on the journey of knowledge and learning, the much-awaited Science and Mathematics Exhibition Quest 2023-24. Explore, create, learn. It is our immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all present as we set sail on this journey. We are honored to welcome our distinguished chief guest of the day, Mr. Yasir Nainar, Acting President, DPS-Modern Indian School. Your esteemed presence among us is a testament to your eminence and dedication to the betterment of education. We are overly joyed by your gracious acceptance of our invitation and look forward to your precious insights. May I call upon Kirti of 8K to step forward and present a token of our deep appreciation and admiration to our chief guest, Mr. Yasir Nainar.
A warm welcome to our esteemed principal, Mrs. Asna Nafees, whose visionary leadership guides us towards excellence. With grace and wisdom, she inspires us to the corridors of knowledge.
We extend a warm welcome to the respected members of the management, whose leadership and vision have paved the way for this momentous occasion, the Quest 2023-24.
I also extend a warm greeting to our respected vice principals, Mrs. Soma Bhattacharjee, Mrs. Mary Cruz, Mrs. Shubha Sheikh, and headmistress Mrs. Najla Bukhari, whose persistent support serves as a precious asset to our endeavors.
We extend our deepest honor and appreciation for the presence of our diligent coordinators, esteemed teachers, and our beloved friends for today's event. Your presence dignifies our gathering. Welcome.
Quest 2023-24 encapsulates our relentless pursuit for knowledge and understanding. Through Quest, we embark on a journey of discovery, guided by curiosity and fueled by passion. Together, let us delve into the realms of mathematics and science for edutainment. The unremitting depletion of natural resources poses an overgrowing threat to our planet. Our foremost goal is to cultivate a sustainable environment conducive to the well-being of all life forms.
Embracing sustainability models will facilitate Earth's transformation into a thriving sanctuary for all beings of life. The youth must pledge its contribution towards securing a greener future.
A beacon of inspiration to our beloved students, our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Asna Nafees. Now I would like to request ma'am to share her precious insights and words of encouragement, inspiring all the young minds gathered here today.
Chief guest of this morning, Mr. Yasser Naina. He needs no introduction. He's always been there on special occasions, guiding us, encouraging us, motivating us. The vice principals, Ms. Soma, Ms. Mary Lashifa, Mr. Patra, the manager, facilities, my academic and activities coordinators, the team of teachers, and of course the budding talent of our school, the young students. A very good morning.
Good morning.
Looks like when DPS decides to do something on environment, the Almighty always blesses us with His wonderful showers. And this morning came up the rain in the desert, and that's the entire idea that we as custodians of the next generation, we as responsible teachers, a responsible school with a vision that says that we want to create citizens who are close to nature, who understand its values and respect it, and would work very hard to restore it, are handed over to us so that we as those custodians are capable of educating and sensitizing our children to a better tomorrow. A tomorrow with more inclusion, more green initiatives, and I think what better year than this year when our homeland is taking the presidency of G20 and the land of our choice is conducting the Doha Expo 2023. There is no better theme than this to put NEP into action. NEP which talks about interdisciplinary approach to teaching. I can see there's the maths department and the science department integrating art into everything that we do, making us understand that we don't have to work in watertight compartments. Knowledge is all invasive, all permissible, and we need to accept that fact that me as maths teacher is not as important or greater importance than the art teacher or the music teacher. All of us are very much required to help our children nurture their minds and give their best for a better tomorrow. To the entire team, I would love to share that I've been to the conference, the 36th Principals, the Principals Conference, and I must say that, and I shared it yesterday, as soon as I came back after receiving those awards to Mr. Yasser, that it's a moment of pride. It humbles us also that our school's name was one of those rare schools which was called out 9 times to receive awards, and it was like every eye that was available, including the Minister of Education of Sri Lanka, He said, I think madam it's better you stand here only. Why are you going down? Every now and then they're calling you up. So that is the spirit of not the leadership, it's the spirit of the team that works together to understand the vision and mission, starting from the lowest, the drivers, the conductors, to the highest level of the hierarchy, the management. I don't think anybody can be left out in this team, because unless we don't see in unison towards one goal, like how Arjuna saw only the eye of the bird where he had to hit the sparrow, the arrow. I don't think any of these results would be possible. In my absence, all this has happened, which means the team is working well, the leadership is working well, and we as guardians of our students, we are doing a great job. Our students, you are our strength. Continue to innovate, continue to be creative. An idea is something that can make a difference, can change the world. Continue to bring in your fresh ideas to the school. Let's all together make tomorrow a better day. My deep thanks to the management for ever being available to guide us. I know nothing like this can happen without their support, whether it's emotional, it's guidance from leadership point of view, it's financial, it's every which part of it is taken care of. And to all my team members from the non-academic department, Mr. Patra, the IT team, everybody who's here, may we all continue to work together in unison. God bless our school and let us continue to prosper. It's indeed a proud moment to think that our school started with 3,000 in 2010, when 11 when I came in, moved in 2012 here with 3,000 plus children. We moved up to almost 6,000. It's just that the ministry is not, allowing us larger numbers. I wish they would, and you'll be ever willing to serve. And with this wait list, a new school got established, and we still have a wait list. So that is the power of being together, thinking in one line, thinking at only one goal. That is the betterment of our future generation. Thank you so much, sir, for accepting our invitation, and may we all continue to work together. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your resolute support and guidance.
Next, I have the privilege to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Yasser Nanar, to share his priceless perspectives and valuable insights with our budding scholars.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Principal Ma'am, Ms. Asna Hafiz, Vice Principals, Ms. Soma, Ms. Mary, Ms. Shifa, and Ms. Najla, I think is not here, headmistress, coordinators, teachers, and my dear stars of today, the students who have done such a huge effort on creating these projects. I'm yet to see them, but I'm sure there will be a treat to the eye. I can see the starting is so great, so I'm sure the details will be even more. In my opinion, on the theme of today's exhibition, which is sustainability, in my opinion, the only way to reduce the effect of the things that we do, it affects sustainability, is to reduce our needs and wants that we have from planet Earth. This is what is causing all the commotion, all the problems. So the more we drive, the more we want to do things which has a drain on the resources that we have on planet Earth, then naturally those things are going to happen. So I would like you all to make a list of all the things that you do individually that has a drain on planet Earth and see how you can reduce it. If you are using 3 air conditioners, use 2. If you are cooking 3 hours, try to finish it within 2 hours. Because everything, whether we use electricity, gas, whether we use paper, whether we use water, everything is having a drain on our natural resources, which is causing the problems that we have today. And as population increases, the problem only burgeons more exponentially. So I would request you all to consider that, and I'm sure the students will also guide you towards that. So let us as adults and as youngsters move into the next generation thinking how I can sustainably live for the future. And these are not just words, heartfelt thoughts that I have, and I keep telling everybody, let's look at that, because in each individual cell, if we look how to reduce our requirements, then probably the earth is going to be a much greener place for all of us in the future. So if you agree with me, please do support me in this cause. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for gracing us with your presence and wisdom.
As we draw to a close of this inaugural ceremony, I would like to thank each and every person who has contributed to the success of this event. Now, I would like to call upon Ishura and Shast of 7C to propose the vote of thanks.
First and foremost, we extend our heartiest gratitude to our chief guest for the day, Mr. Yasir Nailar, Acting President, DPS-Modern Indian School. Your presence here today speaks volumes about the significance of this event. Thank you, sir, for gracing us with your admired presence.
We extend our sincere appreciation to our esteemed principal, Ms. Asma Nafis, for her exemplary leadership and steadfast dedication in guiding us on this journey of learning and discovery.
We extend our sincere gratitude to the eminent members of the management for their invaluable support and guidance in making this event possible.
Our vice principals and headmistresses have been instrumental in shaping our dreams. We are immensely grateful for their mentorship and guidance.
Our dedicated coordinators, teachers and parents have tirelessly nurtured our students, and we extend our sincerest thanks for their unwavering commitment and dedication to the academic excellence.
The priceless contributions of the subject coordinators of mathematics and science, Ms. Diti Devasi, Ms. Mini Devdas, and Ms. Renny Kelvin Koshi cannot be overlooked. Your dedication and commitment have played a pivotal role in nurturing our academic pursuits.
Thank you, science and mathematics teachers, for your dedication in bringing the Quest 2023-24 exhibition to life and enhancing our students' learning journey. As we draw this memorable gathering to a close, we express our gratitude to the Almighty for showering us with His blessings and guidance.
Special acknowledgement is also due for all the members of the organizing committee, IT department, art department, supporting staff and volunteers who have labored diligently behind the scenes to ensure the seamless execution of this event.
A big thank you to Arsh and Arnav of 6F for their contributions to the drone and robot activities, which have added an exciting dimension to our exhibition. And last but certainly not the least, we extend our wholehearted gratefulness to each and every one of you, our luminous young scientists, for your invaluable contributions for making Quest 2023-24 a resounding success. With that, we hereby declare the opening of the exhibition, the Quest 2023-24. Explore, create and learn. Let the festivities commence. Thank you, and may you have a splendid time ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great.
Good speeches.
Very nice. It's all there is decoration, shapes to decorate them.
And it's also
Photo.
the standard.
So you want a picture here? Photo.
No, set standard.
You just take us. So these are all done by students. The small ones also.
Very accurately count. Well done.
Good, good. What do you want to show them? It's a very smiling and a Oh, okay, it's a pointer thing, that's how it works.
Yeah, how important matter.
From your number of breaths, your pulse, your heartbeat, everything. Integration and exclusive. Qatar identity as well as.
It's the map
Yeah.
in a 3-dimensional. आज immediately जाना चाहिए. Good morning. Good morning. So you'll quickly explain a few things.
It's based on a simple circuit like battery, wires, and fan. This is the battery over here, and then through this hole it connects to the switch. Then one more wire comes which enters in the box, and then you use these to connect to the fan, and then the fan is rotating, and the air is getting cooled.
How is the air getting cooled? Only the fan is throwing air now.
Yes, sir. It's turned towards us, and as the fan is rotating the air, it's taking the air from the surrounding and pushing it towards us. So more air is coming towards us, and we feel it cool.
Think about whether it's cooling it or not.
Yeah, the water part of it. How to make a water truffle.
It's a Bollywood working model. So it is a model like every centimeter, every side of it is size. So what will be the perimeter?
Perimeter. So wherever it rotates, it has to start there. Okay. What's yours?
So we will this is 130 centimeters. So we're going to calculate the speed of the car based on how long it is.
Okay. So how do you do this?
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah. So it rotates the right.
Yeah.
Miniature version of a real satellite.
Yeah, I mean the science exhibition is.
It had the motherboard and then sensors which can be divided by the temperature. Okay, sir.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Divided by the
And all the power and all the devices.
Humidity, pressure.
Pressure, light sensor, intensity. So this is the app over here. That's telling you like how much is the temperature, humidity, light intensity, and pressure.
And you devise this app?
I have not made this app by myself. I have took the help of few of my friends.
But it is in-house.
This is my subsidy with the help of a propeller, a motor, and a battery. I made this to like save the environment. Petrol can usually uses gas and it harms the environment. And when I on the switch, the motor gives power to the propeller and moves, and it brings like a back power to which the car moves.
We divided all the areas into 1 centimeter square or 1 unit square.
Yours is one? Integration. 5 cents. Oh my God.
Nothing inside?
No. You have art integration.
Art integration.
With mathematics.
It's called mandala.
Beautiful.
It's all done.
Yes.
Can I touch?
And what paint did you use? Normal
Well,
very nice.
Someone office is intact.
They locked it. What is this?
Distance measurement. Did you make it?
Oh, there's one more satellite thing.
Mark, then bring it.
What do you need to fill in? The number?
Wait on the number.
Wait on the number 7. I lost? I came on 6. Chocolate.
So smooth. Very nice idea. Circle robo. Even that robo also says drawing a circle. Here very nice. That is also एक मिनट Well done. All ideas are new. Very nice. Another photo.
We missed this one, ma'am.
I get some good formulas of them.
Have a chocolate.
I'll take a picture and
Yes.
send it to sir. Afterwards. Inside of class.
Good idea.
So what's this? It's a fair, huh? Maths fair. What is this? You rotate it and it gives you.
Go ahead. Ask me. Okay. So what's this one? Yeah, I got it. What is this?
Amount when interest is compounded annually.
Amount when interest is compounded.
Nice question, sir. Got it.
Compounding interest.
No? Yeah.
Hey, correct answer. Money, we understand.
This is all for your future use, sir.
Okay, what is your father used to do? No, I have some background.
Simple but very important.
Both together. So like if you turn this, the numbers turn and the squares also.
Oh, okay. They give you your squares. Okay. 3 square, 4 square.
It's can be used in schools too.
As a teaching aid. Very nice.
And this is actually starting right now. It's just a 2-minute video that I made.
Make them press it.
Tons of material has been used.
Cut them and we cut the trees to make them.
Index. How much are we wasting to get those things there? Nice idea.
Again square root.
Nice.
Cube root.
Show me. How you statistically show.
Algebraic identity, there was a working model which has algebraic
A square plus 2ab.
This explains the volume and the surface area of 3 dimensions and base formulas and everything.
Oh, nice. You know all of them?
And since the strongest shield is the formula of the overall about the shields.
Good one.
This is the model on the exterior and the shape. The exterior and the property is the sum of the interior adjacent opposite angles. So if you move this over here, and implement this now, you can see that 110 is already there exactly. But 60 plus 50 is also equal to 110 plus 70, which is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, the exterior angle.
Nice.
So it's about the 3D shapes. 3D shapes have 3 features, faces, edges and vertices. You can just spin the wheel and on the arrow showing, you can try to guess how many faces, edges and vertices.
Then this one is got 5 spaces, right? 5 pieces. Morning.
What about this one? How many faces? 2 faces?
3.
This is what?
Sorry, square then square. So what's that's 11.
So this is first a quiz box based on square of the question, and if the question for the
Square root of
yeah, if
196.
you put here then here the answer goes. If you get it correct, you get a chocolate.
Is it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Stage model of 3D figures is done by me and my partner. So 3D figures have three features. There are vertices, edges, and faces. For example, a cuboid has 6 faces. It has 12 edges and 8 vertices. And then
This is called a cuboid, right?
yes.
Cube and cuboid. Probability 7. Why?
So this is a chance according to game. This basically these are the rules, and whatever you if you get past 25 runs, you get a chocolate.
Oh. They cannot stop the people from hand.
Yes, sir. Like in turn on do like this, you get like 3 runs.
What is this?
So it was not stable, so yeah.
Good morning. So somebody enters the park and said all the theories. Is that different?
We have sent the mail to right number. No, you can. I
Go
will
to
do
me.
that. Just send it to me. You can send us a mail. It's only information.
Thank you, children. Yeah. Hold this, yeah.
You saw it? I found it.
That's up. हाँ भाई साढ़े 3 वाला मीटिंग है 4 बजे होना हाँ उसी जगह होते हैं जब हमारा 5 मैं 3:30 से होने Line number game.
Yeah. It's right.
But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, each line.
You have to use all these.
Yeah, that's what we got. Now, first line.
So you can use this.
Let me try. And then what you should get? 40?
41.
Oh. Yes? 41?
It's not 41?
It's 41.
Oh, you have to reorganize this so that every day you get those 41, is it?
I know what it is. Oh.
Arrangement should get one.
What is this?
There is more than
30.
40. It's already 40.
42.
42.
Really?
With the year 7 year. No, 42 is
Just explain diagonal first. Then we'll be able to get there.
Good one.
What's this? Find the ratio of center centimeters. Find the ratio of centimeters. 1.5.
Right big.
This is also
LCM. Can move them now? No, fixed. What is this angle? Sorry? Corresponding angle, but what type of angle is it?
It's like the colors are same to show that they are corresponding.
But
okay, the angle. Sir is asking, what would this be?
This is an angle. Like
No, which type it is? Acute, obtuse.
This one, is it more than 90 degrees?
less than 90?
That's the question.
More than. So which angle is this? More than 90 degree means acute or obtuse? Acute means what? Yes, that is right. No need of reference. Okay, you are right.
Obtuse. Acute.
I know this, but little bit nervous. Huh? Next time no need.
Prime number, game. Yes, I know it now. Should I try?
Yes, sure.
So there's a 35-second timer and...
Oh my god! 35 seconds.
So each line should get the sum of 40 words.
Yeah. 17, I think.
Is it correct?
Yes, so far it's correct.
No, that also it will be correct. 23, I think.
Yeah,
You want the first one. You want the first and second.
Yeah.
You have... Yes, sir, that's correct.
we did it outside.
Yes, sir.
Experience will make perfect.
Comparing quantities. Quantities.
Life situation.
As it is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. This, as it goes further, it becomes a straight angle, exactly 180 degrees. We also have a reflexive angle, which is between 360 degrees and 180 degrees. And we have a full angle, which is 360 degrees.
For full angle or full circle?
Full angle.
Complete.
Same, huh? This is the game.
Got the balance right.
Yeah. Not bad, wonderful. Good.
Here all the numbers 132 are divided exponents of 2. Having 2 power 0 in card A, 2 power 1 in card B, 2 power 2 in card C, 2 power 3 in card D, 2 power 4 in card E. Now this number has 26. Card B, D and E was the number 26. So we have the first numbers 2 plus 8 plus 16. 2 plus 8 plus 16 equals to
26, great. Good. What's this?
Collecting lot of chocolate.
Very well. Very, very well. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is garden. Snakes and ladders. Fraction game. How to convert the decimal into a fraction. Polygon working model. What are yours? Reviews on maths, okay. Subtraction of integers.
No, I have this also.
No, only if you play a game. Then the chocolate. Not now. Don't. Only 3? No, what is it? Only 3 bananas. What is it? What should we do? Okay, thank you.
Good one.
That's so I have to move only 3 to bring them down. We got down here.
Yes,
No. Wrong.
no, she hasn't come back to me with
It's nice. I'll come and then.
to sign up. Summer camp. Yeah.
Sure, this one. Very interesting.
That's what she said about work. She come up with a pricing. Approximately indicated something. No, not yet. I just sent it on Friday.
Now 71 is what you
This is my working module with HCF and LCF. And this for finding the HCF, let's take the numbers as 3 and 4. So for 3 factors are 1 and 3. And for 4 it is there's 1 and 2. So the cup that has 2 marbles is the combination. 1 and 2.
Integers only.
Yours is on algebra. And your house.
No, I have too many. These are my classes.
Fractions.
No car should be left.
Then again one more thing. So I will not get there. I will decide and then take it. Happened.
Thank you. Very complicated.
Very good. All of you doing great. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am, sir.
Tickling our mind.
Yeah, actually. Brains are.
So maths is over?
Yes, it's over.
Yes, human heart.
With colors, is it?
So this is the working model. So the oxidized earth from the lungs enter the heart through the pulmonary artery. Now it reaches the left ventricle. Now the heart pumps the blood to the aorta.
Aorta, okay. And from the main aorta to all the parts of it.
The body absorbs the oxygen to modify.
This is a sustainable solar panel. What is this?
This is a solar.
No batteries, full solar power.
The lighters. Rethink your drink. Okay, how much sugar you need to drink?
Oh.
So the maximum coming from Cokes. Each one, how much average lifespan does it live? So who lives the most?
Zebra.
41 years? How is 48 years old?
48.
105 is an elephant. Oldest one, then 105 years. Then okay, what are the minerals and vitamins that you need to take to stay healthy? Satellite. Again, what does it
Like how it functions.
functions of the introducing D.
And dancing ninja class.
Dancing ninja? Dishes. Cycle of water and how you get to this electricity.
You made this?
The parents would have helped in assembling it. Yes? Little bit there.
Good.
Good idea. How's lighting up the lamp with sustainable energy? Good, very good. Conductor. Magnetic field demonstration. How do you do it? Electrical energy. Miss April, Mr. Bob, what are they doing? Conductors and one of the things. Good. This is museum. Propulsion.
This is like third law of motion. So like if you put air from here, so the car will move.
What's the third law?
And the third law is air resistance and air resistance and
Rock in the middle.
This is metamorphic, sedimentary, igneous, and this is all. Topaz is these all are three are minerals, and topaz is
Where did you get topaz from?
Sensor.
Good one.
Very good, all of you. Oh, nice one.
Yeah.
And the size should be like trial error, then the chart I saw in department today also. Science 3. We have all the Nobel Prize winners for
You are a very good teacher. I'll come back.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yes, sir. One round quickly, we'll finish.
Yes.
Just visit.
There are few.
I'll come back.
You have to come back again.
Okay.
Okay, let us go.
Yes, tomorrow. Yes.
Water harvesting.
We'll take them.
Kids. Oh, a bush.
Thank you.
Kids know that what sugar is.
Is it working?
Is it who's here?
She's also in maths, so she's
She went into the maths. Yeah, okay. The brain and its. Oh yeah, the entire. I think dinosaurs and its extinction. This is done on this.
Welcome to Mindful Mastery. I'll give you more information on study techniques and how to ace your exams. Using different study techniques, how the brain can process memory using these techniques.
Which is mind mapping.
Yes. Mind mapping is mentally making diagrams when you have to read a chapter. For example, when it comes to science, when you're reading a science chapter, whether it's biology or chemistry, when you read it like structural atom, you can make mind diagrams in your head to understand that topic.
Good.
Well done.
Well done. Good. Simple tips. Good.
Children, you should speak by yourself. Don't wait for us to ask questions.
This is the flow of blood in the human body. How we breathe in oxygen, it gets transported to the blood.
Do we breathe in oxygen or we breathe in air?
We breathe in air, but then the oxygen is extracted in the lungs.
So always it is breathe in air.
From the human digestive system. So,
Oh, it's a working model, is
yeah,
it?
it's a working model. So when I press through the cylinder in the back, it flows like all the way through.
Really?
Yeah.
Do it?
So she has to don't spoil your clothes.
Very workable. Huh? She's finished one round, I think. It's all blue inside.
Yeah.
Careful. See?
No problem. Yes, you don't mess with all. Okay, it's okay. Which side of the brain are you? Whether I'm using electromagnetic brain, I'll come back for you. faster and come back here.
This is for it's anti-gravity, it's floating without any
Architectural mistake. Many buildings are like this.
Even our bones and our body also have this vertical design. So that's skeleton. It needs support. But when in this hardware body, we don't need support because it's
Good one. Well demonstrated.
music, if it is there, it's okay. The background. I think all
We can use that, little, because they are explaining. Yes, sir. Yes, ask Shita that the old one that switch that on and
acid rain.
hydrogen oxide or sulfur in the air and the infused in the process formation of oxygen gases. Either form nitric acid or sulfuric acid. It burns trees and erodes. She'll explain why it happens. I'm sure that she has about the last. This is my greenhouse. And today let's talk about something that is known by all, the greenhouse effect. It's not a complicated science term. Now, these plants absorb warmth from the sun. Some of this gets trapped in space, and some of this gets trapped by the gases in our atmosphere, which is a good thing. But there's a problem. We are cutting these trees down that absorb these gases, and we're burning coal, oil, and gases for energy, which needs to be stopped. Now you'd ask, what is this? This is a water pond. And what benefit does the fish give? The fishes, there are many benefits that the fishes give. They bring aesthetics, oxygenation, and this water is used for irrigation for these plants.
Good.
Ma'am, the whole exhibition, in all the rooms we have the video and this year's only.
Oh, it's like direct relay, huh? Wow. Sir, make it for sir has to go. Now time is now. Extreme value.
Can go there. Huh? I have to go to university and go back to the meeting.
Thank you children, very well thought of. Well done.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Oh, good. What is that?
Lift in airflow. Basically, when airflow comes at this direction, it splits into two streams. One has low pressure, one has high pressure. It's created that space. And from high pressure, it is down or the up.
Oh, to lift the plane up. Oh my God.
Section of aircraft.
Yeah.
Plane section. Explaining why the plane goes up instead of going down. Very nice. Filtration. This is Tesla coil. Different types of. What's yours? Myopia. Somebody I said, what's yours? Myopia. Yours is what? Working modular balloons. Oh, it's actually, you can see that. Do it again. Submit.
Oh.
Oh my God, yeah. Very nice.
What
Yours
is
is
this
not
then?
bad.
The rubber?
Conversion. One movement. Very nice. How are you all?
Good afternoon.
Air conditioner. Then what is this? Composition of blood.
White blood cells?
Yes, white blood cells, red blood cells. What
Ma'am, these are chocolates for the.
Really? Why are they placed like this? So you have to look like that. They're not looking like this way. Good. So it's working on it.
I think they are so close.
It's only a. So these are all models of. This is for global warming.
Ma'am, we can take the photograph. One can stand. Going to the space.
Has anybody gone to ISRO? No?
See the animation.
Nice. And this is fractional destination.
This is a robot for agriculture.
The
It
animation
can do whatever
is
from
very
whatever.
well. This immediately and then
For now, it's going into board. Usually, we go into and then you can also move it as.
So who coded this?
Coded keep it. So hardware.
Yeah. The source of water again going back. Thank you, children. Very well done. Sir, careful, sir. Vacuum cleaner, very nice. Thank you.
This is judgment on content. So like with the GI wire, we made a band.
I have to be careful that it doesn't touch. Touched on.
The goal is if you reach the end without touching, without
Sorry. Can't reach the end. Again, concentration. Very nice. Good one. Very nice. Come back to the
This is the structure of atom. Atoms are the tiniest particles of matter, and this is particularly the structure of the element lithium.
No, it's okay, madam.
Yeah, archeries and the mains.
Good morning, sir. Good
It's a two-player game that you have push and pull the cylinders to move the maze. When the maze moves, it directs the marble to the center.
Oh, nice. Good thought.
That's right.
Burning it in the fire.
So this is my friend Vani and she'll explain what is the process of this and after that.
Okay, it separates the units.
How do you do this?
Help at home.
Done at home.
Yeah, when you crush, it gives out the vacuum cleaner.
So this is the water filter.
Right?
See?
You can reach with the under 3 weeks.
Oh no.
skill areas like finance, business studies, those are also required to bring ideas, innovative ideas to the forefront.
Teamwork, we are organic cosmetics.
There's a website also. When you use organic products, we can store it for a longer time, right?
Which class are you?
So we made all your products on the website. Yeah, and you can customize. Pricing. Yes. And they are all these we have made.
They did their entrepreneurship shop so they need a product.
We sell a product in comic book. So we can get these like aloe vera. Aloe vera gel. Yes, and you can carry it
Convenient. Hello, good afternoon. Free chocolate, oh my god. No, I don't free chocolate.
The one technology and markets. I think the future is using data science but holding on to our knowledge.
And you have some lighting as
What is this shape called? Carbon work.
More energy required for the car to work.
Big working models.
Global warming. What tells us on global warming?
They can take as much space as they want to take.
No, it depends. We give them the space from this much to this much.
Mine is on hydroelectricity. The water.
Switches up and
Mine is bubbling bubbles. This uses the properties of baking soda and vinegar to create carbon dioxide. First, we have to obviously put a layer of baking soda.
मुझे भाई अरे सबको भेजेंगे तो फर्स्ट में बराबर से अंदर पाँच करना पड़ेगा इसलिए मुझे इधर ऊपर रेजोल्यूशन में साइन
Then obviously we have
पाँच
the
तक
vinegar in
जुड़ा
order to create
Careful.
This will start to produce carbon dioxide here. Then with a bubble solution, or use a straw in this case. Once the bubbles are filled with carbon they'll just use this.
What are you expecting?
It's supposed to make the bubbles float inside.
float inside.
Wow.
No problem. Try it.
Mine is and it's basically like first you put water in the first you put water. First you put water. And then put oil. Then put all these toppings there.
Oh, it will stay there. It will hold on. Okay. Don't sit down.
No, it will basically just go up and down.
Bubbly, okay.
Yes, ma'am, and then we add this.
What is it?
Ma'am, this will help it go up and down.
हाँ सवाल को बोलो अरे नहीं नहीं थोड़ा सा शूटिंग में हूँ अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है मैं बोलता हूँ ओके ओके
And there those bubbles have come out.
Ah, good. Good effort. Okay, so the and then releases the movements.
हाँ दार्जिलिंग में बच्चा मेरा बस है ना पार्क करो ना मुझे हाँ हेलो हाँ बच्चा मेरा बस गेट नंबर 5 है ना उधर पे बस है उधर पे पार्क कर दो ना मेरा ग्राउंड में पार्क कर दो ना बस नंबर 21 ओके अभी यहाँ पार्किंग हो गया है ओके मचा जल्दी है मचा
Match on. Good. Drip irrigation.
That's how the motor works.
My experiment is based on based on information of vinegar into baking soda to blow the balloon. The reaction of vinegar and baking soda makes carbon dioxide. Since the balloon makes a bottle airtight, it moves nowhere but to the balloon.
The windmill again sustainable project. So wind energy is very same concept. Good, very nice.
We got a federation with it.
Good. Same thing. Good. Same rainwater. Very good. Thank you, children. Well done. Did you all enjoy doing all this? Good afternoon. Now we are going this way inside. Good science lab. Tell me one quick experiment on good science.
Ma'am, so basically this experiment is the lemon and the reaction. So this is lemon. And now I take some taste. Now if I add baking soda here. Carbon
bubbles. How and
As you can see, it's an electrolytic element.
you did this?
Yes, the old one that has been.
This is the electrolytic of
Very good.
It's not done yet. It's two reactions. That is displacement. So this is displacement of iron in silver support. As you can see, the color changes from blue to a green.
And that is? This is again your food experiments. So we'll quickly go through. Yeah. You can never leave them out. Good. That is acidic or basic? Yes, pH. Crystallizing. Acid and base concept.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Drives. In this container I'm washing here. This good morning, ma'am. This is some Drives. So I have it in a container. So okay. So when we put it in water, the temperature increases and it goes back to its original form, which is carbon dioxide.
Okay, that's enough.
Yes. Now over here in soap water, the difference is that these, as you can see over here, these bubbles are going up and down. So these bubbles, they there's a soap layer is made on top, which once it comes out of the water, it becomes bubbles. So as you can see, it's carbon dioxide. Now practically in the industry they use for fog effects. So they would use this similar kind of setup. Now for fog effect, would probably
manual derivatives.
Yes. You put in a container, flat container, and you put some dryers, it will start breaking this fog effect. Although you would need more bigger chunks if you want for large scale. And also one over here we get good, and this one it's getting trapped by a soap layer. By we take a small piece, drop it in, and we cover it with the grid. Cover it with sea, it's forming these bubbles.
Nice. Good. Thank you.
So confident, huh?
Yeah. That's all right. Just moving around in the science exhibition goes at एग्जीबिशन देख लीजिए, हम नोट करके रखेंगे, है तो नहीं ऐसा नहीं है।
What is this?
आपका इस मैं तो उसका क्या जवाब कुछ हुआ नहीं। Yes. But their parents are still anxious.
Basically the air is, what is it doing to the
people want to come? Yes. Right, please.
Propel.
Thank you so much.
Making it propel. Oh! Rocket is flying high. You're from which class?
All are different volcanoes. What is this?
Baking soda vinegar is there everywhere. Huh?
Yes, it's a common. What does it do? Oh, good. Shows the movement of the clouds. Light and its properties. Okay. Okay, project translucent object. And what is this? Okay. How to segregate waste.
You are in the last section of the exhibition. If you left out, no? Okay, one of you stand there in front of the crowd, okay?
Zia bin Ali, what are you doing? It's a game on?
Yes, ma'am. It's a game like this. Yeah, you have to roll the dice, the number comes, you go there, and then you have to pick up chip from the
And then it asks
yeah, and then
integration of so many concepts. Good.
This is the AI working model of a robot. Dash. It can perform various operations such as this. For a practical demo, we have to complete.
White Hat Junior.
It's simple for kids. You can program it whenever you want.
Good, thank you. Nice. Happy for you. I think we have all these opportunities to do these things. I don't know what it is, but it's not. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
नहीं this ये क्लास ये लास्ट क्लास
Good afternoon, good afternoon.
I can put it launch. Oh, who made this gun?
It's already there. You just have to-
So, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Aisha Haq, and this is our catapult launch. So, a brief introduction on catapults. They are, as we all know, simple devices that were used to hurl projectiles over a large distance. Catapults may look like that they are related to mechanics and engineering, but the three key principles, that is tension, torsion, and gravity, make the catapult an amazing scientific invention. So, the potential energy is stored in the flexible parts of the catapult, that is ropes, springs, or in this case, rubber bands. They are slowly converted into kinetic energy, and when it is launched, gravity pulls down on the projectile, and that is the science behind the catapult.
Lovely.
Good one, well explained.
Today we're going to show our project salt conservation. So first we will pour
We
water
have
in.
grown trees with retained soil. Only one in flow. Erosion.
It will be eroded.
Yes, next one. This one.
This is erosion, and so this
No erosion.
No, lovely idea. Very good. Simple but very good.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
These are three types of waste. The red bins are used for transport waste, such as trash bags, newspapers, etc. Yellow bins is intended for chemical waste, which is used for storing infections and
Sharp waste.
sharp waste. Green bins are provided
Can be collected and it can be released. So your fruit waste, where you put it? Green. And injections? Good. Solar panels, good. Very nice.
Now this is solar panel board, and this is the
House. When you build like home, you build like this. Okay? What is this?
Lines and ropes. Perpendicular.
No Translating.
And we are the science champions.
What did the scientists say when we found two atoms of helium? Two atoms of helium.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम हरी सर को फोन दो हरी सर हाँ अस्सलामुअलैकुम सर हेलो हाँ जी सर अभी लास्ट क्लास है इसके बाद में बंद कर दो अच्छा ओके अभी तो लाइव तो चल ही रहा है जी तो डायरेक्ट इधर से कट कर दो आप किसको लिखो हाँ वो एंड कर देना ना टच करके खत्म ओके सर ओके थैंक यू सर
Thank you, children. Thank you, teachers. Well done, well done.
On our way.
On our way.
The parents will come now.
Children, see and move back to classes. See and move back to classes.
लाइव
स्टूडेंट्स का भी लाइव बाद अभी लाइव चल रहा है
तो बंद एंड कर दूँ
पूरा स्टूडेंट्स का ले लेना
आप जाके जल्दी बोलिए हेलो से हाय Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
That's right.
Mary ma'am.
Here there are big speakers.
Say hi. Man, finish and